whispered pack and bulge, have it all eat as we indulge. Ingestion preserved, I confess, swallowing hard all holiness. In moments of sighs, the respite, I breathe out the stains in the might of the paths trodden so ghastly. Grudges held, forgiveness lengthy. Breathing in toxins speaks agony. What bosoms bore not in plenty? My scream hurls off dilated chests, my suffering held up in crests of love infinite. Land of earth in upward move rekindles birth, takes mind off woodlands blazing pain. Soft heal me, shower me in rain. The words ripped off, I reclaim the shore and back, redemption in sky. Whip up a new back to redeem semblance of what I may then seem. Perfection, art of plentiful, subtle nuances beautiful. Look within, fallen chest that heaves, nothing for